Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change notification sounds for each app on your Android phone. If you're using messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram, you can also set unique notification sounds for each contact or group. For WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app and choose the contact or group. Tap on the contact or group name to open the contact info or group info. Tap Notifications, choose Notification Tone, and choose a sound by tapping on it. Now, how about the Telegram? Open the Telegram app and go to a specific chat. Tap the contact's name or group title. Then tap on the name of the contact. Tap Notifications. Then tap Customize. And go to Sound. Tap to choose the desired sound from the list or add a custom one. Now, how about changing notifications in Messenger? Open Messenger. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Then go to Settings, scroll to find Notifications and Sounds, tap on it, go to Customize Notifications, then tap Sounds, choose your preferred sound from the list by tapping on it. By customizing your notification sounds, you can easily identify which app or contact is trying to get your attention. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.